Okay, so in this video I'll be going over how to slip one, knit two together, and pass a slip stitch over, which is a way of knitting 3 stitches together. I'm doing this technique in order to create a lace pattern, so I'll be yarning over on both ends. First you want to knit to where you need to do this piece, so here I am. Now I yarn over one. Now you want to slip the first stitch, you want to knit the next 2 together, and then you're going to pass that slip stitch over. Now we have knitted 3 together. I yarn over one more time and then I finish knitting to the end. I'll show you this one more time in a different color. So you knit up to where you want to create the 3 together. I yarn over one for the lace pattern, then I slip a stitch, I knit the next 2 together, then I pass the slip stitch over, and I yarn over one more time for the lace pattern, and I knit to the end. So I want to show you how this looks after working the next row. So I sped this next section up a little bit. So now you can see the 3 stitches work together by slipping one, knitting 2 together, and passing a slip stitch over in the center there, surrounded by the yarn overs. Now combining this way of knitting 3 stitches together with the yarn overs on each side is how this lace border is worked on the Rizzo sweater that I have in a full-length version in another video that you can watch. If you like this, if this was helpful, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.